Thank you for following this tutorial on how to set up the self-service password request with OTP sent by email or SMS. Self-service password request configuration is done through the administrator console. Before starting, you must secure the web services used for the self-service password request module. The tutorial on how to initialize the web services will help you secure the self-service password request module. To configure the content of the emails and SMS, you must be super administrator. The password reset via OTP must be activated in the user security profile. Note that the self-service password request by OTP is only available when connected to the network. The configuration works for either self-service password request with Authentication Manager as well as the Enterprise Access Management web portal. First of all, open your EAM console and go to File Configuration. Before you enable the self-service password request by confirmation code, you must indicate which gateway to use for sending the email. The default port to use is 25. Click on the box to authenticate to the SMTP server and reference the email and password you used to connect to the server. You can also indicate the display name and the sender's address. Moreover, you can configure the email template that will be sent to the users. From the SSPR by confirmation code tab, you can also configure the platform to reach for sending the OTP by SMS. Click on Configure and enter the URL to reach. From there, you can also configure the web form data of the sender of the SMS. Eviden self-service password requests supports Form Post API for sending SMS. Once you have finished configuring the gateway, in the Account and Access Right Management menu, go to the access point security profile linked to the workstation on which you want to configure the self-service password request. Click on the Self-Service Password Request tab and enter the name of the server to reach for the self-service password request, as well as the port. By default, the one used is 9765, the same used when configuring the web services of the EAM controller. Once that's done, go to the user security profile associated with the users you wish to allow resetting their password through the self-service password request module. For more information on configuring the self-service password request with security questions, I recommend watching the tutorial How to Configure Self-Service Password Request with Questions and Answers. In the SSPR with OTP field, check the box enabling the use of a confirmation code to reset a password. You can also configure the email or SMS that will be sent to the user. As you can see, the information entered previously have been pasted in this window. This is also the case for SMS. In addition, you can also translate your messages if you have collaborators speaking different languages. Thank you for following this tutorial. You should now be able to grant self-service password request with OTP by email or SMS to your users.